Welcome back, my friends, to episode 5. We will be doing and discussing downward facing dog. This energizing pose is commonly in flow yoga sequences. It helps strengthen and stretch so many areas. For instance, your arms, your shoulders, your upper back, your biceps, hamstrings, hips, chest, and even your pelvic area. So let's begin in tabletop. Come follow me. So we'll get into a neutral position. Wrists are underneath our elbows, knees underneath our hips, and tops of our feet planted firmly onto the mat with a neutral spine. We'll go ahead and we'll hover about an inch and curl the toes under above the mat. We're going to lift our hips up and back, making some adjustments with your feet. And go ahead and bring the arms out in front of you so that our shoulders are away from our ears and we lengthen our neck. So let's go ahead and take a deep breath. Inhale here, exhale back to tabletop. And we're going to go ahead and do this one more time. So go ahead and get set up. We'll go ahead, bring the toes curled under, hover about an inch above the mat, lift your hips up and back towards the ceiling. Maybe make some adjustments here with your arms. Generously bend your knees if you like to. And just make sure you lengthen your neck and keep your ears away from your shoulders. Wide grip in your fingertips, pressing into the mat. Again, you can gaze down towards the mat or towards your shin, just taking the pressure off of your neck. We'll take a deep breath, inhale, then exhale to tabletop. Uncurl your toes, and I'm going to go ahead and meet you to the front of the mat. You did it. This is wonderful. This is a great pose for awakening your body up and connecting your breath. Thank you so much for joining me, and don't forget to subscribe. And meet me back here next week for Upward Facing Dog for our beginner yoga series. Please don't forget to hit like and put a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Have a great week.